CNC process 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis to meet your machining needs. 3-axis machining is widely used for simple planar processing. 4-axis machining adds a rotational axis to 3-axis machining, allowing for multi-phase processing of the product and reducing the number of setups. 5-axis machining enables machining of any surface of a solid in a fixed position, with high precision, and is especially suitable for processing complex curved surfaces. We have 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis imported machines to meet your custom machining needs.